Okay, Garmin.
Dan is actually sleeping right now.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
He actually
Talking in his sleep.
thanks to his vivid melatonin.
That's
boost.
it.
Yeah.
I could use more erotic dreams.
I was gonna say, I mean,
Those are the best.
he was saying that it'd be a bad thing to have those dreams. No, it's a great thing.
Yeah, erotic dreams are...
The more erotic dreams, the better. If you can give me a sleeping drug that does...
I don't like turn-based RTS. That's why I like StarCraft so much.
I think I tried. Ooh.
What, dog?
Ja, dan wordt weer gaat als vanuit is waar gegaan. Oei. Oei, oei, oei. Wat was dat dan?
Ja, daar gebeurde achter mij iets.
Oei.
Next month for sure. Go ahead. Alright, so Randy, you jumped up on the automation. I still didn't get an understanding of what we need to do here on the Salesforce piece. To notify the Salesforce admin.
I knew that. I
they've
saw
got
that
to
was
assign
coming, man.
these. Not only do they up with Salesforce because they're Puma users.
Fucking Christ.
It's all lies in the lions. I've been damaged, ripped and ruined, 'cause I'm broke.
Friday, that's Black Friday at 174 Rivington Street here in New York. And you know, it is Black Friday, so you gotta make sure to open it noon.
Oh.
Get there
What an
nice and
idiot.
early, 'cause you never know what kind of fun Black Friday stuff will be going.
Oh my god.
Trailer swinging. Jesus.
Oh my.
But in an oral culture, there's no way to compare the text because you've heard it, and you just have to remember it to know if this next
culture. There's no way to compare the text.
Peoples, two distinct cultures, two distinct economies. And one economy is truly under attack.
No, dude.
We are way past now being just politically or ideologically.
Some of the intentionality to the regime.
Holy!
To the regime.